What up? It's your girl and back with another video. This time I'm gonna be teaching you what to do with your slime guitar, but you don't got lotion. Next time I'm gonna be doing a different type of slime, but with lotion. Okay, here's my first video. It's gonna be with this actually just soap I put inside. See, and this is like my slime. Here's the slime I'm working with. Now what you look away. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna teach you how to do it. It's two parts, easy, quick, and fun. Okay. Super hard. Now, put this soap on it. So much go do this. By the way, follow Jayla Smith on Fanfic Love. My friend Jayla. Happy birthday, Jayla. Happy spring break, Jayla. Love you, boo. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna like mix it around, but now with your hands, what you're gonna do is gonna do this, okay? That was hard. It's kind of sticky. I have all types of slime. I only have like these things of slime. I only have 3 things of slime. This is so funny. It's like a cake, so I'm gonna grab this and pour it like this. You're gonna like fold it like that to a point like you're not gonna be touching it, but you're not gonna really want to touch it. And in my next video, well, this video is not actually over yet, but in my next video, I'm gonna be putting a lot of nasty things. Gonna mix it all together, and I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna drink it. And that is how you fix slime, people. Like, subscribe. If you didn't like the video, please put what was wrong at the bottom, and I'll get back to you on that. And okay.